Good Thursday afternoon, everybody. It's Thursday, June 6, 2019. Welcome into another edition of Talking Fitchburg. I'm back in-house again today after yesterday's great day outside at the Fitchburg Chamber golf outing. And it was a great show out there, minus that tornado siren that kicked things off for the day. But other than that, it was a pretty sharp show yesterday, Andrew. Great job. You
as well.
Sorry you had to be stuck in the studio yesterday.
Well,
but
it's,
part of the
someone
gig.
had to be here, so it was me.
Yeah, Scott and I enjoyed meeting lots of businesses yesterday. Watched some great golf. Watched some interesting hits as well. Also would say that those interesting ones would be like pretty close to my golf. So never do good under pressure in golf.
No.
I always choke. So that's
We had
better
the first
to tell
couple of, live golf shots here on the show.
We did.
Yesterday.
We did.
So it was pretty cool.
It was a good day. Fun day yesterday.
Definitely.
And we got a really fun day coming up today here on the show.
Yes.
As we'll take you out to the golf course. We'll talk with the chamber about it here in just a little bit and get you updated with some headlines. But Dan Carpenter, as you know, resigned last Friday as alder, and we had a chance to sit down with him. We did put that interview up last Friday on social media.
Yes.
But we wanted to get it run through the show itself.
Definitely.
So we're going to redo that interview today, replay that for you here so you can learn about a little bit about Dan and his future plans here moving forward.
Cool.
So we asked him every question that we could, Andrew.
Yeah.
And
looked like a good interview. So
yeah, we'll be doing that today. So, but first, let's get right to it, and we start with your headlines. And as I mentioned here, we had the Fitchburg Chamber golf outing yesterday. I got a chance to sit down with Brandon, one of the representatives from the Fitchburg Chamber, to break it all down. Great weather, great event. Brandon,
Beautiful weather.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
I did this. Brandon, how many golf groups were out here today?
So we had 128 players today, which is up 28 players from last year. So this is the biggest golf outing that we've had since we've been doing it.
It's pretty amazing. And describe different holes have different fun things going on today. Tell the folks what's going on out there.
Yeah, so each hole has a hole sponsor. Some people have a keg at their hole. Some people have margaritas. Some people have Plinko. Some people have bag toss, ball toss. Lots of different fun games that people are doing at all the holes.
That makes quite the difference. And really, this is all for what? Why do we do this every single year?
We do this just because we really want the business community to get together and all of our, the Fitchburg community to come together, network, have a really good time, and just enjoy a day out of the office.
How's the golf game going today?
Pretty good. The Infinity athletes really loosened you up on like hole 4.
Oh wow!
So yeah.
So who's the ringer for the group?
I would say Ben.
Ben?
Mr. Cowan, yeah.
And how's the ladies doing?
Oh, we're killing it too.
You're killing it.
Yeah, we're killing
Is
it.
this your first time at the golf outing?
Not my first rodeo.
Oh, gotcha. And talk about how things kicked off this morning. I love the shotgun starts.
Yeah, well, actually this morning we started off with a little bit of rain, but it cleared up right away. We had people coming in around 9. Got some 50-50 raffles, some mulligans in case they're terrible golfers. So they can start over again. And then we did a shotgun start right at 10:30, which is actually an hour earlier than what we usually do. And people seem to really like it. They get to start on their day a little bit earlier, and they'll get to finish a little bit earlier than usual.
Nothing wrong with that. And for folks who aren't familiar with the chamber, I mean, what is the chamber's ultimate goal?
So the Fitchburg Chamber is here really for the business community, also for our community here in Fitchburg, and just bringing people to Fitchburg and to really understand what a great community we have and what businesses are right in their back door. So we're just a nice resource for people looking to come to Fitchburg and also the businesses that are here in Fitchburg.
Fantastic. That's Brandon from the Fitchburg Chamber. Another great, successful year, and we'll have to make it bigger next year, right?
Awesome. It's going to be even bigger and better next year.
That's right. Right from Brandon. He says bigger, so get yourself signed up and come out, have some fun. Thank you so much, Brandon, for your time.
Thank you so much.
There you go. Beautiful day. Great golfing. And if you didn't get a chance to golf this year, better come next year. This will be a lot of fun. And we hope to come back next year as well. All right, turning to other headlines for the day. We've got the Promega Summer Art Showcase coming up. Get this on the calendar. This will be happening on June 11th. It'll be 3:30 to 6:30 p.m. at Promega BTC. And the showcase, this showcase will feature studying history, designing the future. featuring works inspired by Helen Louise Allen Textile and a collection of the School of Human Ecology at UW-Madison. It's going to be pretty cool. Come and check it out. We'll, of course, have both the symposium and coverage of that opening of the collection on June 11th. So don't worry. We got you covered here at Fact TV. All right, happening today, we've got 2 groundbreakings happening here. The first one is going to be at Oregon Schools. Yeah, Oregon School breaking ground at their first school here in the city of Fitchburg, and this will be the school's 4th elementary school. That school groundbreaking today will be at 4:30 p.m. You can see on the map here exactly where that's located, and it looks like your best route there is to take Goodland Park Road to Larson Road. So, and yeah, we hope to see you out there. If you can't make it out there, don't worry, we'll be broadcast as long as we can get a signal out of there. We'll be broadcasting this one live through social media today, so you can check it out on our Facebook page. And we'll bring you some highlights of that groundbreaking right here tomorrow on TF. On the other side of town, a little bit earlier, there'll be a groundbreaking for Promega. Promega will be having a groundbreaking on their component manufacturing center. And this is over off of 3075 Sub-Zero Parkway. And yeah, that gets kicked underway just after 3:30. And we'll have a crew out there as well, and we'll bring you some highlights from that ceremony, as they always do it big when they have a groundbreaking, let me tell you. So we'll bring you those highlights as that happens. Also happening today, if you're looking to take the kiddos out for a movie, why not take them to the Fitchburg Public Library at 4 o'clock today? You can watch the movie, and one of my daughter's favorite, The Secret Life of Pets. Yeah. That's right. The second one is in theaters here June 7th. So come on out to the library, get refreshed on the first movie, and yeah, you're gonna want to check this out. It's a good movie. Andrew, you seen this movie?
Oh better. Yes, we own it.
Oh, you own it. So do we.
Yes, we have that.
We ended up having to buy it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's at 4 o'clock today at the Fitchburg Public Library.
The boys are excited to go see the second one.
So Andrew, the big one with this is this is going to be our daughter's first movie. The second,
the theaters?
In the theaters,
oh, man.
Is going to be The Secret Life of Pets.
Awesome.
So
good luck with that.
It's going to be interesting.
Yeah.
It's going to be very interesting.
We've definitely done that too. So we've been to a couple movies now. So.
Yeah, we think she's going to do pretty good, but yeah.
You never know.
Mom's really excited about this one.
Oh, good. Yeah, she's a moviegoer.
She is a moviegoer, so it's like huge for her. Where for me, it's when she goes fishing for the first time or something like that.
There
you know, whatever. All right, here we go. Finally, this weekend, Bikes and Brews in the Burg. Yeah, check this out. It'll be on Saturday, June 8th. Join Bike Fitchburg and Funk's Pub for 608 miles out of 608 miles back on the Badger State Trail. So you're going 6.08 miles one way, and then you got to bike that same path back. And you'll be on the Badger State Trail, and you'll wrap up your ride with a 608 special at Funk's Pub in Fitchburg. It's a good place. I've been there before. And bikers, you meet at Funk's Pub parking lot about 5:45 p.m., and then the ride will begin at 6:08. No riders left behind. You can join at the after party. And it's going to be a lot of fun. All bikers, by the way, get a water bottle. So the Burg water bottle. And it also says here, too, that you need to have a trail pass. And it's a better deal if you buy, like, the whole year's trail pass, just saying. All right, we need to take a quick break. Got more to come here. We're going to sit down with Dan Carpenter next, right here on Talking Fitchburg.